There are discoveries that don't just change what we know, they change what we believe is possible. They expand our understanding beyond limits, beyond imagination. And yet, sometimes, the people behind them are never fully seen because history doesn't always shine its light on the ones who deserve it most. This is Forgotten Minds, where we bring lost stories into the light. And this is the story of a woman who measured the universe and was almost left out of it. She wasn't born into fame. She didn't grow up expecting to change astronomy. She was born on July 4th, 1868, in Massachusetts, in the United States. A quiet beginning, a life that seemed ordinary. But sometimes, extraordinary paths start in the simplest places. She was curious, drawn to learning, to understanding the unknown, and eventually, that curiosity led her to the stars. But the world she entered was not built for her, because at that time, women in science were not seen as scientists. They were assistants, observers, record keepers, working in the background, unseen, uncredited. She joined a group tasked with analyzing astronomical data, endless images, endless measurements, long hours of quiet work, not discovering, but supporting. Or at least, that's what the world believed. Because while others saw routine work, she saw something else. Patterns, tiny variations in the brightness of stars. Changes that didn't seem random. Changes that meant something. She began to study them, carefully, precisely, tracking light, comparing distances, looking deeper than anyone else had before. And then, she found it. A relationship between the brightness of certain stars and how they changed over time. A pattern so consistent, so reliable, it became a key. A way to measure distance across space. Not just nearby stars, but far beyond. Galaxies, clusters, the universe itself. For the first time, humanity had a way to measure the vastness of the cosmos, to understand how big the universe truly is. It was a breakthrough, a foundation for modern astronomy. But breakthroughs don't always bring recognition, because she didn't present it. She didn't stand in front of audiences. She didn't receive applause. Her work was published under someone else's authority. Her role reduced, because she was a woman, because she was in the background, because the world was not ready to give her the credit she deserved. And the challenges didn't stop there. Her health began to decline. Illness, something she carried quietly while continuing her work. Even losing much of her hearing, but never losing her focus, never losing her dedication. Because for her, this wasn't about recognition. It was about truth. Understanding the universe, no matter the cost. Her discovery was used by others, expanded, built upon. It helped scientists prove that the universe was far larger than anyone had imagined, that galaxies existed beyond our own, that the cosmos was expanding. One discovery, unlocking many more. But as the world celebrated those breakthroughs, her name remained in the shadows. Because sometimes, history doesn't erase people. It simply doesn't include them. In 1921, her life came to an end, quietly, without seeing the full impact of what she had done, without knowing that her work would redefine astronomy forever. Some even suggested she deserved the highest honors, but it was too late, because recognition cannot reach those who are no longer there. Think about it. How many discoveries do we celebrate without knowing who made them possible? How many names are missing from the stories we tell? She didn't just study stars. She gave humanity a way to measure the universe. She turned light into distance, observation into understanding. And yet, her story is rarely told, because sometimes the people who bring us closer to the stars are the ones the world leaves behind. Her name was Henrietta Swan Leavitt. If this story made you think, if it made you question, if it made you see the universe differently, then you already understand why stories like this matter. This is Forgotten Minds, where we don't just tell history, we reveal what it tried to hide. Like the video, subscribe, and be part of a journey that brings the forgotten back into the light. And if you want to explore the truth behind this story, check the first comment. All references are there, because every story we tell is built on truth. And some truths deserve to be remembered, to be